Hi guys, what's up? In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can hard reset your Realme Note 50 device in both lock and unlock mode. Basically, we have two reset options. First is soft reset and other is hard reset. Soft reset doesn't clear or erase all data, but hard reset does. And especially if you guys also don't know the phone password, so don't worry, I'm giving you the method which is very easy and simple. All you have guys to follow these steps. Before starting the video, do subscribe us and hit the bell icon so you never miss any updates from this channel. And also comment us for further tips and tricks. Okay, let's start. If your phone is unlocked, so just go to setting and scroll down to system. So in system we have reset option here. Just click it and then erase all data. After that, just click on erase all data and your data will be erased and all the data will wipe. So this is the method if your phone is unlocked. But there is also method that if your phone is locked and if you guys don't know the password, so don't worry, I am giving you another method. Just press power and volume up key and then power off the phone. Okay, now after power of the phone, just press power button for 3 seconds and then volume down key. Then leave these buttons. So after appearing this window, just press power button and volume up button. See, we have plenty of options here. So we want to go on wipe data factory reset. Because the touch is not working, press volume down button for downward and then press power button for selection. Then volume down button again and then power button. See, all the data start wiping. It will be wiped in just some second, like 5 to 10 seconds. After that, just reboot the phone. So press power button again and the phone start rebooting. Then within 3 to 4 minutes, your phone will start again and all the data will be erased already. So that's it about the video. I hope you guys enjoy it, and this is very simple and easy method for Realme Note 50. So that's it about the video. Just like the video and follow us for more interesting content. See you guys in next video. Take care.